Identified line print. North American mountain lion. Fresh?
That's fresh. Looks like he's going about that way, northeast 20 kilometers.
I'd say in the last
We'll be
5
able,
minutes or so.
we'll be able to track him down pretty quick.
We're gonna get this son of a gun. Let's go.
Dylan,
What is it, Cody?
Crikey!
What?
We lost the tracks. I don't know where it is.
Dave, name it!
Couldn't have gone far.
Alright, Cody. Let's fan out and search the area. He couldn't have gone far.
Crikey.
Back there, man!
Well, I'm sorry. I didn't know what to do. It was a very dangerous situation.
Dangerous situation! I got mauled by a damn mountain lion, man!
I'm sorry. I didn't have the...
That's the most dangerous animal in the Western Hemisphere!
Well, I didn't have the
I
best
don't
idea.
have an eye anymore!
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I didn't know what to do. We still mates, right?
No.
Oh, come on. It was just one incident. We can still be friends, right?
No.
Let's go hunt another lion. You and me. Just like old times.
Get the hell out of my sight.
Yeah, well, I haven't had the best day either. My own father just shot me right in the heart. I don't even know how I'm still alive.
Not so fast, son.
Really?
That's right.
You okay, buddy? Look, why don't we just put all this behind us, all right? We got the big nature seminar tomorrow. Let's do our thing. Come here, Cody. Best friends.
I love you.
Cody, it's time for the nature seminar, buddy. Wake up, rise and shine.
All right. So, you know what?
What's that?
It's our 5-month anniversary living in this tent here.
Well, I'll be dang. Hello, folks. We're the Nature Knowledgers, and we'd like to share a few nature statistics and facts with you guys today. So why don't you just sit tight and listen up, all right?
Right. Now, did you know that the sky ain't actually blue? It only appears to be blue to the naked eye, but it's actually neon pink. It's only looking blue because of the Native Americans.
Did you know that on the moon, worker ants can lift 57 trillion times their body weight?
True fact. Dolphins have the closest vagina to a human female. Yet it is not considered illegal for a male to commit sexual activity with an underage dolphin.
All right, folks, here's another fact for you. The lemur. Now, that's a real animal. You may not have heard of it, but the lemur is the only other species besides human beings that has pedophiles. That's right. You get the old grandpa lemurs. They sneak up real sneaky and low-like. They grab the little young lemurs from behind. They stroke them, pet them, seduce them, and then they rape them.
It's not true. Hey, you know what, buddy? Yes, it is.
Oh, not true. Not true? Who's got the nature certificate, huh?
He does.
You asshole.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Kanga.
Kanga who?
No, you idiots. Kangaroo. Dylan, I think I just remembered where we can find some albino gators. Dylan? Dylan?
Dear Cody, I love you, buddy, and I found it's time we moved on. I'll see you in another life. Goodbye.
Dylan?
La lune trop blême pose un diadème sur tes cheveux roux. La lune trop rousse de gloire éclabousse ton jupon plein de trous. La lune trop pâle caresse l'opale de tes yeux blasés. Princesse de la rue, sois la bienvenue dans mon cœur brisé. The stairways up to La Butte can make the wretched sigh, while windmill wings of the moulin shelter you and I. Ma petite mandigote, je sens tes notes qui cherchent ma main. Je sens ta poitrine et ta taille fine.
Oh, it's nice to see you.
You look terrible.
Well, I've been having a rough time lately, actually.
You're just wearing your underwear. Well, you mind if I come in?
Why not?
Look, Cody, I've been thinking a lot lately.
Yeah, about what?
I think we should give our friendship another try.
Now, why do you figure we should do that again?
Look, I haven't been too happy recently. And clearly, you haven't been too happy either with your life.
Yeah, so what of it? I've been alright on my own.
You're walking around the house butt naked.
So be it. What if I just don't want to be anything. I just want to be.
Cody, you're lying to yourself. I know you tried to kill yourself yesterday.
You're right.
Come here.
You're right. I miss you. I miss hunting gator. I miss sleeping in the tent with you.
I miss hunting lions and tracking them and killing them and slitting their throats. I brought you something.
What's that?
Remember this?
Oh!
Let's do it. We're nature's best daggone nature pick.
Let's go kill some critters.
All right.